I'll get the garage door. I'm coming. I'm getting the garage door real quick. Okay.
Are they letting you?
Yeah.
Hey, are you sure?
Yeah. You okay if I get the garage door?
Do
For
what?
you? I'll get the garage door.
Yeah.
What are you taking?
Engine.
Engine?
Yep.
That way you don't have to worry about it.
Yeah.
I'll get it for you. Yep. That way you don't have to worry about it. Man.
Let me show you on that real quick.
Yep.
Yeah. So if you look right here,
Yeah.
there's this little thing that you pull.
Yeah.
Pulls back like that.
Okay. Yeah. Yep. Yep.
One around.
Station1's responding to a medical call. Just south of Heber Springs. Thought they were taking engine 1.
I didn't know you was coming today, bud.
Well, I was meaning to. Can you send Dad the app? Good. Can you send Dad that app?
I don't know how.
No, the app that shows them that they're responding to calls. Rescue 1's responding to a medical call just south of Heber Springs right now as we speak. Ambulance. Survival flight. Ambulance. Ambulance. White survival flight ambulance is responding to a medical call.
Dispatch to Central, 2007 on previous medical requesting LD setup at ASU. And LD setup at ASU.
ASU.
That's our rescue 1 route.
Rescue 1-0. Responding to a call down the ASU right now as we speak for medical assist down the ASU just east of Heber Springs.
Dispatch controlled A-Ship requesting transport. 725 Plantation Drive East.
Fifth call of the day is another EMS call. Just east of town in Heber Springs. Heber Springs Road North, 2459 Heber Springs Road North. CSI requesting manpower and extra trucks for a fire out of control behind a house, unattended, something blow up in it. 2459 Heber Springs Road North.
Dispatch 2-1.
Go ahead.
What do they need, the engine or brush truck? What do they need? About to make out?
Stand by, they didn't advise. We don't have anyone on scene yet.
Go get something out of my purse. That's my purse. Yeah. Okay.
Engine 1 being around.
Dispatch 201, they advised to send in a brush truck. They're going to have to go into the field behind the house to get to the fire.
If I can find out that you guys are going to be there, or you're not going to be there, let me know.
221 Responded.
I'll bring it when I close. If we catch a break.
Fire department. Brush truck. Fire just east of Heber Springs right now as we speak. For a wildfire just north of Heber Springs right now as we speak. Brush 1's responding right now as we speak. Utility 2 is responding to the scene of a brush fire.
Dispatch to Central and Survival Flight. Dispatch Central and Survival Flight. 1310 North Broadway Street, apartment 22. 1310 North Broadway Street, apartment number 22. A 6-year-old female that is passed out. She is breathing and does have a pulse. Non-responsive. 1310 North Broadway Street, apartment number 22.
Dispatch engine 1 will be en route.
So you do have one. Brush 1, Utility 201, Utility 2, and Brush 1 are on scene of a bushfire. Fire right now. Now they're switching gears. You're switching to the fire. Utility 2 is back in service. Fire utility truck's back in service. So they did have to call more volunteer firemen from the Heber Springs Fire Department to help with this many calls in a day. We'll carry on next Friday and see what's going on. But Utility 2 is back in service and Chief is headed back home for the day. So all the crew from Station1 Responded's back in service for any more calls that come in.
Oh, that's awesome. All right, well, we're gonna talk more. Back tomorrow, we'll see.
We'll be here.
What? We need something. We'll be here. Have you ordered most of that stuff? Oh, okay. Okay. I just keep thinking like that because we're tired. Like, oh, it's gonna be like 6 to 10 months before.